Hi, I'm Tazza Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainer here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a gentle yet effective lip scrub. This is perfect to pair with the lip mask that you would have seen on our YouTube channel. Now let me show you how to put it together. So I've got here some caprylic cupric triglycerides. You don't want something too drying, so I've gone for a medium skin feel lipid here. Now to this I'm going to add some beeswax. This is going to help with building viscosity and stability in my scrub. I'm going to add a little bit of glycerol stearate. This is a low HLB emulsifier. I'm going to add some mango butter. This is going to help your lips feel nourished and moisturized and also creamy. And I'm also going to go in with the ruby red Bioli as well. So I'm going to add a little bit of a ruby red or pink color to my scrub. Now we're just going to pop that one on heat. Now over here I have my water phase. I'm making a water and oil scrub, so we do need a little bit of water. And to my water I'm going to add a bit of glycerin, which is a humectant. This is also going to help with moisturizing the lips and creating a nice occlusive barrier over them as well. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a mix. And once my oil phase has heated and melted, I'm going to add my water phase to it, and then my emulsion will form. So I've just added my water phase there, and now I'm just going to take it off the heat. Now we do want to continue stirring it until it has cooled to at least 50 degrees, and then we're going to add our heat sensitive materials. So we've got our essential oil, our antioxidant, and of course our scrub agent. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oil. I'm going in with the pink grapefruit again, but of course you can choose any you like. And I'm also going to add in my antioxidant. And I'm going to go in with my exfoliant. This is an abrasive material, but it's quite gentle. This is just bamboo. You do want to use something quite gentle and a small particle size, as it is a sensitive area. So you do want it to be quite gentle. And we're just going to mix that in. So full viscosity will be achieved the next day, so we are going to leave this. And we'll come back and review this and the lip mask tomorrow. Okay, and here is what my lip scrub is looking like the next day. As you can see, it's a beautiful pale pink color. It feels really nice and buttery, smooth, but also has a gentle abrasiveness to it. Bamboo is quite a fine powder or quite a fine exfoliant, and it's also a low particle size too, so it's not going to be very harsh on the lips, which is what we want, but we still want it to be quite effective. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to make a gentle but effective lip scrub. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on all our videos. Happy formulating!